Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Tabby payments in store. So first of all, we have to download this Tabby application. You can download by scanning this QR code, create an account, which we can also do it from here, from this website here, and link payment methods. So Tabby accepts various payment methods including all the credit and debit cards as well as the wallet like Apple Pay. And once you do this, you can just make payment in stores. I have mentioned these steps here. Select your item, shop at a particular store that accept Tabby payment. So make sure you shop at that store. Choose Tabby at checkout. Inform the cashier that you will be using Tabby for payment. Once you are ready to pay, open the app and log in into your account. Navigate to the payment section in the app. Select this option to generate a payment QR code. Specifically for in-store transactions here. Now present the code, show the generated code to the cashier. They will scan it to complete your purchase. After making a purchase, you will receive a confirmation email detail about your payment schedule, which you can also view in the application. To make easy or early payment or manage your balance, go to My Payments within the app, select the auto and follow the on-screen instruction. Here I have mentioned some of the additional information, so make sure you follow this up, right? And thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.